Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? It's Sonia Verardo here from soniaverardo.com, fashion, beauty, lifestyle and mom related blog. If you're new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe for more videos, because here on my channel I film a lot of fashion hauls, beauty related videos, mommy topics, vlogs, a lot of vlogs, just lifestyle videos, home decor and stuff like that. So I hope you will enjoy watching. Now I'm going to show you fashion haul in collaboration with Noracora. Noracora is an online web store. I have been collaborating with them for several months now and I'm always very happy with the clothes that I choose. Yeah, they have very affordable items, very up-to-date, very trendy pieces. So without further ado, let me just jump into this fashion haul. I have 5 clothing items to show you. As we are now in winter season, I thought I would order something that's warm, that I can wear and enjoy in this period of time. So first I'm going to start with showing you this super cute cardigan. I absolutely love it, and this is one of my favorite pieces from the entire order, even though it's very hard to decide because they are all amazing, you will see. And so this is like vintage inspired. I absolutely love the colors and the model. It's a little bit shorter and I love the fact that it has got this little collar. It's just so cute. You guys can find outfit photos on my blog, so you can get inspired and see how I style these pieces into an actual outfit. So just stop by my blog, or you can also check out my Instagram for daily outfit photos. Anyways, I have to mention that I obviously also love the combination of colors, ranging from this pastel blue to orange and then yellow. It's just perfect. Next item is another cardigan and another soft pastel color. You guys know that I adore pastel and bright colors even in winter time. I believe that color can make such a huge difference and such a huge influence in our everyday mood, just make us a bit more positive and more cheerful. So that's why I'm incorporating a lot of bright colors, a lot of pastel colors, even in my winter wardrobe. Plus, now it's been a couple of seasons that actually white color and beige color are very popular colors for the fall and winter season. So yeah, I ordered this super cute fringe cardigan. The color is very soft pink color and I absolutely love the fact that it is so chic. I like to wear it with my white jeans. Next item is another cute cardigan with floral print. Again, this one is quite, old-fashioned, vintage inspired. It does have this vintage vibe, something that your grandmother would have worn back in her days. Yeah, but I absolutely love that style, actually. That's why I ordered it. I love the embroideries that it has and this little blue detailing. Yeah, it's just so pretty and delicate. And as I already mentioned, beige is definitely a popular color for this winter season. Next, I have one sweater that is knitted, but it's a little bit lighter knitwear. So it's something that I will wear on top of my denim shirt or a turtleneck, and then I will enjoy wearing it in springtime as well, because it's very nice knitwear, this one. I absolutely love the stripes, with jeans. This looks absolutely amazing, very youthful and always up to date. It will never go out of style. So this one little sweater that I absolutely adore. Last but not least, I ordered something black. How unusual for me, right? Why I ordered this one is because I actually want to pair it with white shirt. I believe the contrast of white and black really goes well. If you want to look, elegant, chic but effortless, always put together, then play with the combination of white and black. So if I am to wear black, you guys must consider that I will wear something very bright in combination with that black item. This is just how I am. I will basically never wear total black. I just don't feel good when I wear total black. I don't feel myself. These are actually very popular. Every high street store sells them, but it's actually also hard to find them because they sell out pretty fast. So on Noracora you can still find it, it's available, and I believe it comes in white color as well. This is one wardrobe basic must-have item that you will wear with many different styles in many different occasions. Let me say a couple of words about the shipping. So it takes around 2 to 3 weeks for the items to arrive. Sometimes I will have my package shipped to Italy, sometimes in Croatia, but so far everything always went smoothly. Items always arrived in perfect condition, packages were never damaged or anything like that, so it's definitely worth the wait, even though the wait isn't even that long, but it's worth the wait because the items are so cute and they are very affordable, and I will definitely compare them to like H&M or even Zara quality, so that's a big thumbs up. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this quick little fashion haul video. As you could have seen, I tried to insert some outfit photos and little clips with these items, so I hope it was a nice try and haul for you, because I personally always think it's nicer when you can see how a certain item looks on, just to have an idea. Please like this video and subscribe for more if you haven't yet, and let me know if you have any requests for my future videos. I would love to hear them and film for you. A big kiss from Croatia. I will talk to you soon. Ciao!